It's well known that birds love eating worms, caterpillars and other wriggly creatures, so it makes perfect sense to offer garden birds delicious mealworms to eat. In this video, we'll be running through the benefits of mealworms for birds, which species enjoy them, and the best ways to feed them to garden birds. Despite the name, mealworms are actually beetle larvae, and they're a huge hit with species like robins and blackbirds. Song thrushes, starlings and wrens also enjoy mealworms. They're a brilliant source of protein for wild birds, as well as a delicious treat. Dried mealworms are great because they have all the goodness of live mealworms without the moisture and the wriggling. Supplied in resealable, recyclable pouches or a cardboard box for the larger size, the RSPB dried mealworms are available in 100 grams, 200 grams, 500 grams or 2 kilogram sizes. Sprinkle them on bird tables, on the ground or place them in a window feeder, like the Gothic arch window feeder we have some in here. Window feeders are great as they give you a closer look at garden birds, so you can enjoy watching birds feast without even venturing outside. It's worth noting that you can rehydrate dried mealworms by soaking them in warm water for a few minutes. The other option for feeding birds mealworms is to offer them live mealworms. Live mealworms can be fed in the same way as dried, either sprinkled on bird tables, on the ground, or in a window feeder. We recommend laying these mealworms out so that birds spot the wiggling and can easily get to them. Birds go crazy for mealworms all year round, but it's worth noting that mealworms are a treat and therefore should be fed no more than twice a day to ensure a varied diet. The best way to care for and attract a range of species is to supply a variety of different foods in different areas to cater for their diets and feeding habits. Make sure you check out our other bird food videos to take a look at other foods available for birds. Cleanliness is really important when it comes to feeding birds, so making sure you clean any feeding areas in your garden at least once a week is vital to ensure birds stay healthy. Give feeders and tables a thorough clean, remove any dirt or debris, and replace any old food with fresh. You can take a look at our in-depth cleaning video for more information. So there you have it, everything you need to know about feeding birds mealworms. We're sure the birds in your garden will find them hard to resist. Make sure you visit the RSPB shop website for a look at our full range of food for birds. Happy feeding!